ग्रूमिंग इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली क्या है, किसको ग्रूमिंग की जरूरत होती है?
Grooming is needed for everybody, right from students who are in the school. So it all starts at the younger age. While I say that, I still believe it's not too late because I've had people who's joined even at the age of 60.
अच्छा, ग्रूमिंग में क्या क्या आता है? मतलब कपड़े पहनना, अपने आप को मेकअप करना।
There's a lot of myth. People think it's all about putting on something nice on your face or on your maybe the dress or the watch or the car that you drive. It does not matter. The grooming is not all about that.
तो सारी वुमेन जो एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहती है, आप उनको इस चीज से कैसे बाहर निकालोगे कि मेल डोमिनेटिंग नहीं है, आप भी काम कर सकते हो? बिकॉज वो बैरियर अगर टूटा तो दे कैन वर्क बेटर।
This barrier is not just one-sided. It is a male-dominated, yes. We can make our own space. We can also stand out. I feel men are open to give spaces to own, but it's the women also who need to take that decision, take that risk, take that jump, and it's never too late.
गीता मैम, बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका द फाउंडर्स जिम के अंदर। कैसे मैम?
Thank you very much. Namaste.
हाउ आर यू मैम?
I'm doing good. Thank you. आप कैसे हैं?
बहुत बढ़िया।
Great.
कैसी चल रही जर्नी आपकी लाइफ में अभी? मतलब कैसा लग रहा है आपको अभी जो एंटरप्रेन्योर फेस है?
I think the journey so far has been good, but like I always say, it can be better than what it is today. हाँ, तो quite an exciting journey.
डे बाय डे बेटर होता है इंसान की लाइफ में?
होना चाहिए. That's why we aspire. लेकिन हमारा विश तो वही है, but depends on day-to-day challenges that we face in life. मुझे लगता है.
सो गीता मैम, आपने ऑलरेडी कॉर्पोरेट जॉब किया है, राइट? एंड आफ्टर दैट यू क्विट, फिर आप फाउंडर्स की जर्नी जी रहे हो। सो एक एम्प्लॉय की जर्नी एंड फाउंडर की जर्नी में क्या डिफरेंस है?
So much, I can't tell you, so much difference है. Because working for a corporate was pretty much comfortable job. Because you get groomed as a corporate professional. एक timing रहता है, right? And you work with the team. So you have targets or you have your goals in place. इस साल में ये plan है, ये करना है. So somebody else is there to lead you. Especially when I started as an intern and then you become team member, team lead, a manager. तो ये सारा roles जो है ना, it was very progressive for me. I definitely liked, learned, enjoyed the journey. फिर मुझे लगा there's definitely something missing and definitely my potential is more than the 9 to 5 slab. And that's when I said, okay, let's pick up another journey. And उससे पहले बहुत homework किया है मैंने. I've been associated with some startups. I joined as a CXO, understood the dynamics. How do you build a business plan? How do you prepare a revenue plan for your
सो
company?
यू आर इनटू सेल्स क्या?
No, definitely not. So I come from a tech background. I was managing business for technology company, one of the well-known multinational company I was associated with for the longest time. So yeah,
कितने टाइम काम किया मैडम मौका में?
I think I've shuffled between 2-3 companies. The constant was for about 13 odd years
13?
at a multinational technology company. Yes, US-based company.
सो ऐसा क्या मोमेंट था कि जिस दिन आपने डिसाइड किया कि मैं 9 to 5 के लिए नहीं बनी हूँ एंड आई वांट टू डू समथिंग मोर? मतलब व्हाट वाज द ट्रिगर पॉइंट? हस्बैंड ने ट्रिगर किया, घर वालों ने ट्रिगर किया, देन हु ट्रिगर्ड यू?
A couple of decades ago, right? In Bangalore, we had a lot of startups coming up. It started being known as Silicon City. And then what happened, a friend of mine nominated me for one of the events, which was called as Miss High Tech Bangalore back then. And I don't come from the background where somebody knows about fashion or anyone in the family knows about anything besides just work, academic, study. Okay, you join a company, you have your degree sorted, your life is sorted. Or kya chahiye, right? This is fairly a reasonable ask. Then मैंने कहा, so after this journey of going through grooming at this event, so first of all, my confidence was elevated when I was selected out of the audition. Like many people participated, which was not even a thing on my mind. I said, let's just go along with my friends, give the auditions. If you don't get selected, at least you will have a story to tell. You went there, you did this. So it was all very new back then. Now, of course, it's not as complicated as it was. It was like all this was restricted only for television people or the models or the fashion industry. So the category was something else. While I just finished my studies, I was doing my internship, working in an organization, and stepping into the world of unknown was quite a challenge. But I enjoyed the journey of getting groomed by somebody else, like your body posture, how do you sit, how do you look, and how do you walk, and why should you do that, and all of that changed my life a bit. And that's when I said, okay, it's very interesting. So till then you didn't know the importance of grooming. So that's when the journey or the interest towards grooming started.
एंड मतलब आपने जी ये आपकी कंपनी स्टार्ट करी ग्रूमिंग गुरुकुल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड,
How?
व्हेन इट वाज स्टार्ट?
Oh, that much later, because you need a lot of validation. The journey, I said,
कितने साल लग गए?
officially, हाँ, बहुत साल लग गया, because it was on back of your mind. You don't know what works for you, what doesn't work, because when you are on a track where everything is pre-planned, right? So I come from a family where everything is planned. इस age में शादी होनी चाहिए, okay? Then you got a job, or you build your family. Your interest, your everything revolves around family. What people think about you, right? Your roadmap is already done before even you realize कि मुझे ये चाहिए. At least now I've seen a lot of this generation girls are very clear about their thoughts. Now today it's very different, but back then you relied on your family to make the plan for you. Whom do you marry, when do you marry, where do you go, what you do, and all. And I said, okay, fair enough, not bad. Maybe they know better what is good for me. So that's how the journey was growing. And then in between, when you're working, luckily I had great mentors at my workplace. So they said, okay, Geeta, what you're doing, we would like, you're in a team, so you stand out. So somebody else recognizes this, and why don't you take the training for the rest of them, I said, okay, this is not bad. I can do that, right? Corporate etiquette, business etiquette. There were certain programs that I started taking out of my interest. Then I started enjoying that, because it's something that people recognizing the importance, the relevance, and it helps the team grow and build and stand out, right? And then I started with the colleges, universities. So I said, okay, this is a good one, right? We are bridging the gap. The students are so nervous to face the interviews at the campus recruitment period. I said, okay, why not? Let's go ahead and do that. And it slowly started picking up. That's when I realized, okay, we need to provide a platform like this for any individual. So it started with self, first of all. And then I said, it started as a passion, doing out of self-interest. Then I said, okay, this can be definitely rolled into another line of business. And that's how my journey is continuing.
सो उस टाइम की जो पेरेंट्स थे, मतलब उस टाइम पे जो पेरेंट्स का जो माइंडसेट था ऑलरेडी सेट था कि ऐसे ऐसे करना है, बट आपको प्रॉब्लमेटिक नहीं हुआ कि मतलब अभी आप बिजनेस करोगे तो घर वाले क्या बोलेंगे, उनका रिएक्शन कैसा था, उसको ओवरकम कैसे किया? बिकॉज अभी न्यू जनरेशन तो चलो अपने आप में एक डिसीजन ले रही है, इन्फॉर्म डिसीजन ले रही है, बट स्टिल पूरे इंडिया में बहुत लोग ऐसे हैं जिनके घर वाले आज भी मानते नहीं है. सो आपको क्या प्रॉब्लम आई थी और आपने कैसे उसको ओवरकम किया, अगर आई थी तो?
Oh, that was quite a journey, because बहुत मुश्किल था, not easy. Like, you come from a family background where you listen. So people are used to, हम बोल रहे हैं तो तुम्हारी अच्छाई के लिए बोल रहे हैं, तो तुमको सुनना पड़ेगा. And I never questioned the decision that they took for me, and so far it's been good. But then what about your individuality? मुझे क्या चाहिए life में, right? So that's the decision. So everybody was shocked when I said I'm going to quit the corporate company and start something of my own. They were like, ये क्या है something of your own? It's not even a dhanka business according to them. Like, it's not a product. It's not something that you see. And they were like, what is that you're missing? Sab kuch to hai. Kyun karna hai? Why do you want to risk it all? I said, no, I would definitely want to take the step. So it's my decision. It's my story and my plan. I'm just going to give this a shot. That was pretty much later, I realized. But like, I believe it's never too late to start. So I had this faith ki, I understood what is there that I can do to the society, and how it's picking up, the soft skill training, interpersonal skills. ये सब बहुत ज़रूरी है. It's not like for one person. It's for everybody. Like,
इसको एक्सप्लेन करोगे, मतलब ग्रूमिंग इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली क्या है, मतलब किसको ग्रूमिंग की जरूरत होती है?
If you ask me, I say that grooming is needed for everybody. Like, right from students who are in the school. I really appreciate the parents, especially mothers, come to me saying, you know, their child is in high school and they realized grooming is so important. Can you take up the sessions or the programs? So we have workshops running for students. So start from there. Like when we were kids, there was nothing like this, right? All it was about learning. School में क्या सिखाया है वो पढ़ना है, लिखना है, homework करनी है, good marks लेनी है, pass out, join another good college and your degree and you're sorted. But it's so impressive to know that this generation parents are very much aware that their child needs grooming. Their child needs to be aware of their personality, you know, and understand and learn from there. So it all starts at the younger age. While I say that, I still believe it's not too late because I've had people who's joined even at the age of 60. If I'm talking about the individuals, yeah. So it's just the realization, it's just the awareness. Where do you want to fit in? आप क्या करते हो? कौन सी line की business? What line of business you are in? So it depends on that.
मतलब इतने साल में आपने बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखी होगी, आपको क्या कॉन्फिडेंट रखता है एवरीडे? मतलब आप कैसे कॉन्फिडेंट फील करती हो? मतलब आपने मतलब क्या बोल के निकलती हो अपने आप को घर से? और सबको क्या बोल के निकलना चाहिए कि यार मतलब आज तो मेरा दिन सुपर होगा, या फिर ऐसा क्या रिचुअल आप फॉलो करते हैं?
Yeah, my ritual very simple. First of all, it's a self talk. मैं बहुत self talk करती हूँ. And even before starting a company, a lot of self talk only happened, you know, because we know ourselves better more than anybody else. हमको ही पता है हमारा strengths क्या है, हमारा weakness क्या है, what is that we can do better today. So I do a mirror talk before I step out of the house. Just give yourself the pep talk and say, it's a great day, you're too good. If you're going to give the interview, tell yourself you're going to crack this interview. So a lot of preparation also happens before that. But my ritual is more than anything, love yourself, have faith in yourself, and smile at yourself and step out. You don't need validation from the outside world.
मतलब फ़र्क पड़ता है इससे? एक्चुअली फ़र्क पड़ता है? मतलब आपने कोई कंपैरिज़न किया है जैसे किसी ने कोई बोल के नहीं निकला है और कोई बोल के निकला है, तो ही विल गेट बेटर थिंग्स, और जो नहीं बोल के निकला उसको बेटर थिंग्स नहीं मिलेगा?
हाँ, बिल्कुल। आप बोल के जाते हो, you're व्हाट डू यू से, you're declaring it within yourself कि चलो आज ये इंटरव्यू में दूँगी 100%. So based on that, your mindset is such that you dress up in a certain way for that, you know. You prepare, you do your homework, you know, you mock the interview, you're ready to face it. But if you just go with the flow, you're just going there and you're giving the chance on the other person. Depends on the other person to validate you. तो उससे पहले it's better you validate yourself, you give yourself the wings and say, hey, it's a great day, you're all prepared, you're looking great. Go ahead and give that interview and grab it. So there's a difference. Otherwise, you'll be depending on the other person to give you the validation. उससे पहले खुद ही कर लेना better है.
अच्छा, ग्रूमिंग में क्या-क्या आता है? मतलब कपड़े पहनना, अपने आप को मेकअप करना, मतलब क्या-क्या चीज़ आती है? कोई 4-5 चीज़ इफ यू कैन एलाबोरेट?
Yeah, there's a lot of myth. People think it's all about, putting on something nice on your face or on your maybe the dress or the watch or the car that you drive. It does not matter. The grooming is not all about that. So, yeah, so analyzing yourself is so important. Only then you will know.
तो आपने आपको पहचाना अपने आप को?
हाँ, वहीं से तो स्टार्ट किया पहले. But if I have to think about it, पहले नहीं पता था. It was not so important because always it's the other person who tells me who is Geeta. Because you're looking at me, you know my story, so it's always like, what does Abhishek think about me, right? But the tables turn when you say who I am, right? Who is Geeta? So for that, I need to know first before the world knows. Yeah. So sometimes people analyze you based on your social media exposure. What do you post? What do you say? Where do you go? That tells a story. But I think the best person is oneself. You're yourself. So for that, you need to probably figure out क्या है, हम क्या है, खुद क्या है. Put up a roadmap for yourself, and that's how outside world will perceive you. मुझे लगता है.
यहाँ पे एक छोटी सी बात करते हैं, लेट्स गो बैक। मतलब आपने तो जब स्टार्ट किया था तो आपको एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया गया, देन आफ्टर दैट यू रियलाइज समथिंग एंड आफ्टर दैट उसमें डिग किया, देन यू नाउ यू आर हियर ऑन दिस पॉइंट। नाउ वी आर टीचिंग कि ग्रूमिंग कैसे होता है, अपने आप से सेल्फ टॉक कैसे किया जाता है, अपने आप को कैसे निखारा जाता है। सो क्या मतलब अगर मैं आपसे ट्रेनिंग लूँ, सो क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हो हु आई एम, हु इज अभिषेक व्यास, या आई नीड टू फाइंड इट आउट बाय माई सेल्फ?
Answer was yes, no, both. Because we both will have to work on it. So for me, if I have to tell you, Abhishek, this is you. So उससे पहले मुझे भी तो जानना है. तो I'll have to analyze your personality. देखो, what do you do in a situation like this? So we understand, we try to come halfway to your personality. Like, how are you on the days of challenges? How do you face it? Are you an introvert? Are you an extrovert? So there are a lot of questions that my team comes up with. We have personality analysis done. Uske base pe we will say, okay, what is your roadmap for yourself? Where do you see yourself? Why? First of all, the ground level question is, why are you doing this? Why did you come to us? Because maybe if you're already working, you need that promotion in the office. Yeah. You want to get into the director level, you want to become a VP. If you see, many people in an office have the similar degrees, right? There are like so many people who get hired in an organization, but there are always some amount of people who reach on the higher level position in an organization,
Correct.
right? So that gives them the wings to stand out. And what are those? Soft skill trainings ho to hai. Skills to hai. Technical skills, there are many people, right? So once you reach that level, once you excel that, there is something else that, pushes you onto the next level. And that's self-realization, confidence, eye contact, handshake, the way you present yourself, the way you walk, all of that.
मतलब स्किल से भी ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट ग्रूमिंग स्किल्स है,
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल।
बिकॉज अगर कॉर्पोरेट में तो ये नहीं होगा तो आई थिंक यू विल नॉट बी ऑन द हायर पोजीशन। आपका बात करने का तरीका कैसा है, आप आई कांटेक्ट करके बात करते हो या नहीं करते हो, किस तरह से आप ठहराव के साथ बोल रहे हो या फिर एकदम फास्ट बोल रहे हो, तो काफ़ी चीज़ें मैटर करती है आई गेस, और इसी से आपकी टॉप पोजीशन बनती है।
Exactly. It's all connected.
सो ये तो मतलब सारी ऑडियंस के लिए आज के लिए शानदार टिप हो गई कि अगर कंपनी में ग्रो करना है तो स्किल्स तो सबके पास है, और उससे बियॉन्ड आपके पास क्या है। सो आई थिंक मैम विल टीच यू।
Yeah. How do you talk to your peers? How do you do networking within the office? You don't want to come across that irritating, annoying teammate, right? So there is some charm about these people who get on to the next level of the position, or, they can become leaders. So why everybody cannot be? Why is that one person can be? It's all interpersonal skills. कैसे आप बात करते हो, कैसे इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनालिटी बन सकती है आपकी।
अच्छा, ग्रूमिंग के अंदर कौन सी ऐसी टिप है एक्चुअली लोग इग्नोर कर देते हैं बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है?
अच्छा, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, आई वुड से दैट क्रिएटिंग दैट फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन। जैसे बोलते हैं ना, फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन कैन नॉट बी डन द नेक्स्ट टाइम और द 10th टाइम। ऑलवेज यू कैन गेट बेटर एट इट, नो डाउट, बट आई थिंक द फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन पीपल शुड नॉट टेक इट लाइटली, and it always revolves about the confidence. Again, I'm telling, it's not about what you wear. It's not about you have a makeup on, no makeup on. वो फर्क नहीं पड़ता है। जब आप घर से निकलते हो, tell yourself that you're the best. So indirectly, you will definitely dress up to be the best. Indirectly, you step out to be the best. So it's all about first impression and how you're prepared for your first impression.
अच्छा, इस पॉडकास्ट में कोई 5 थिंग्स बता दो जो घर से हमेशा बोल के निकलनी चाहिए इन एनी सिचुएशन। आप निकल रहे हो घर से, तो से दिस वर्ड, योर डे विल बी बेटर।
Definitely, because the minute you step out of the house, the challenges these days will start with the traffic, with the pollution, or with uncivilized people on the road, to the pure pressures in your office. So it can be anything the minute you step out. So to equip yourself to firefight those, I think some of the ones which I can think of right now is telling yourself that you're the best and you can handle any situation, right? And then just have that smile on yourself. Even if you see somebody so frustrated in their life, you don't want to pass on that aura or share that vibe with them. So bring that smile on yourself. So be very pleasant. Have the power of pause. Breathe. Basically, just keep breathing. And I definitely would love to listen to some good music. That's a great therapy for me. It works for me. Whatever music, to unwind the stress and to give you the boost to face the day. And gratitude. I always say thank you to the universe, to the God, for all that we have. I think these are very small, basic things, but let's not ignore that. It's all there. It's unpaid. It's not expensive. It's not costly. It's just there. But only that realization. So tell yourself you're good, you're great, gratitude, smile, breathe, and eat.
म्यूजिक तो आई थिंक सबसे बेस्ट थेरेपी है। मतलब आप म्यूजिक अगर किसी को ट्राई करना हो ना, सो कोई भांगड़ा का म्यूजिक लगाना तो यू विल फील लाइक डांस, कोई देशभक्ति का म्यूजिक लगा लेना तो यू फील लाइक यू आर ए वेरी देशभक्त, कोई सैड म्यूजिक लगा लेना किसी भी मोमेंट पे यू विल फील सैडनेस। मतलब एनी पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम आप किसी भी सिचुएशन में हो, बस म्यूजिक प्ले करना, तो वैसा आपको इमोशंस आने लग जाएगा सेम टाइमिंग पे। करेक्ट?
It's very infectious. बिल्कुल सही है।
अच्छा मैम, कि बताइए कि जैसे किसी को इनर मतलब कोई इनर कॉन्फिडेंस या फिर इनर थिंग्स को डिस्कवर करता है कि अच्छा मैं ये हूँ, तो उसको सबसे सरप्राइजिंग चीज़ क्या लगती है अपने बारे में कि अच्छा ये कैसे हो गया मेरे बारे में?
I can give you some examples for that. So, there is a teacher who came to me. Okay. I was surprised when she herself said, when I spoke to her, she came across very well spoken and, fairly decent. And to maine kaha, what kind of grooming are you looking at, getting done here? So, she was relocating with her child, her family. Her husband is already in the US. So, she's like, I said, you speak very well, you sound confident. So, what is that we can help you with? She and her kid wanted to groom themselves so that they are ready to face the US ecosystem, atmosphere, people. Pata nahi. There's always self doubt, right? So she wanted to overcome that. So what I liked about this is, she could have just gone. She's educated, right? She is a mother, she has a kid, she has taught students. But I was like, wow, it's so interesting to know that people are seeing the other side of the life or lifestyle. It's no more just education. It's all about how are you socially smart, how do you present yourself. She wanted to give herself an identity besides being a teacher herself. So then I said, okay, this is wonderful, why not? So they had about 15-20 days before they had to relocate for a longest time to the US. So we did a lot of work on mother and daughter both, in terms of dressing, in terms of talking, like replacing the basic English words to something very smart. I'm not talking about the slangs, I'm not talking about the Gen Z language because that's too much to cope up with. I'm saying regular, like, hey, how are you? Instead of that, something better you can ask, even responding to certain questions, right? So that's what makes anybody or any individual stand out with their skills. So, for example, you ask me, hi, how are you today? Right? And instead of me saying, I'm fine, thank you, how are you? Instead, I can say, I'm doing great. The weather is fantastic and life can be better. It's good, but can be better. So, instead of that one word answer, you rephrase your sentences, you add something else. So, it's very refreshing. So, all of that comes with practice, learning, and also sometimes networking.
अच्छा मैंने मैडम एक थोड़े दिन पहले एक चीज़ इंसिडेंट शेयर करता हूँ। मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया था, एक ऐड था, चैंपियंस नीड मोर स्पेस। वहाँ पे एक लड़के की फ़ोटो थी। सो मैंने एक वीडियो बनाई, मैंने कहा ऑलरेडी मेल डोमिनेटिंग सोसाइटी है और क्यों होता है ये? बिकॉज़ ऑफ द ऐड। जब से ऐड बनना चालू हुए हैं तब से क्या होता है कि हर ऐड में एक लड़के को दिखाएँगे कि आपके बेटे को बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, आपका बेटा स्मार्ट है, आपका बेटा स्मॉलर टॉलेस्ट है, दिमाग उसमें ज़्यादा है, और थोड़ा लड़कियों को साइड कर देंगे तो ऑलरेडी मानसिकता डेवलप हो जाती है कि मेरे बेटे को एक अच्छा स्पेस चाहिए। तो मेल डोमिनेटिंग सोसाइटी है, आपने स्टैंड आउट करके आप एक फाउंडर बने और आपको अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, तो सारी वुमेन जो एंटरप्रेन्योर बनना चाहती है, आप उनको इस चीज़ से कैसे बाहर निकालोगे कि मेल डोमिनेटिंग नहीं है, आप भी काम कर सकते हो, बिकॉज़ वो बैरियर अगर टूटा तो दे कैन वर्क बेटर।
Absolutely. बहुत अच्छी बात बताई आपने. Because this barrier is not just one-sided. It is a male-dominated, yes. Of course, there have been many women in the past who have fought for us and brought us to a level where we are reasonably all right now, right? Women are heard, are seen, and are asked if you all are okay, doing well, and we are exploring in every field. Now, this happens both, like men also are very encouraging, right? Maybe they don't know. For example, we have tied up with a couple of retail jeweler owners in the luxury grooming segment, all retail. So, if you see 90% are men and 10% are women, right? It's just a mindset also. Probably they are open to this concept, but we women are not taking it seriously or, taking that plunge. We can make our own space in this portfolio. We can also stand out, be it in training industry, be it in designing industry, be it in hiring, HR, marketing, everywhere. I feel men are open to give spaces to own, but it's the women also who need to take that decision, take that risk, take that jump. And it's never too late. I've seen women entrepreneurs who have taken that decision even at the age of 50. Once their domestic life is all set and sorted, now what next? So they feel, जो खोया हुआ उनका passion है, उनका wish है, now due to the encouragement of the children or whatever, but they are taking that decision. And so there have been many, we do workshops for the women entrepreneurs, not from the tier 1 cities, but tier 2 cities. It gives me great pleasure to say that ये छोटे cities, टाउन्स में जो विमेन है ना, दे आर सो एस्पायरिंग अभिषेक. हाँ, उनके साथ इतना टैलेंट है ना, सेल्फ इनबिल्ट टैलेंट अबाउट व्हाटएवर. सो दे जस्ट नीड दैट पुश, दैट कुशनिंग कि आप लोग कर सकते हो.
आप किसी से मिले, कोई स्टोरी शेयर कर सकते हैं आप?
Yes, I can. So there has been a woman who has, she's good in her skill, but she has put her children's aspirations first, right? So they are also entrepreneurs. They are really great. So हमारा Indian mentality क्या है? You're good. So once you're having a family, your priorities change. So it's all about children. Education है, आपका जो business idea है, उनको दे दो. They run it excellently. But who's the powerhouse, right? So this lady came to me and she said, basically she's the founder, she's the idea giver. But the running is done by the children. But there's no storytelling of hers. There's no narrative. So later on, because they figured out कि क्या है, mom knows what's best in the house. Outside the house, ladies are not taken as seriously as they should be, right? Again, it's also because they themselves are not so vocal. उनको लगता है outside knowledge इतना नहीं है हमारे, be it about AI, about the technology, or about taking spaces. They have self-doubt.
करेक्ट, दिस इज द मेन पॉइंट.
That's it.
तो ये माइंडसेट को कैसे शिफ्ट करेगा कोई?
माइंडसेट को शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, like I always say, self analyze करके, so no idea is small or no idea is big. It's about how do you tell your story, आपका narrative क्या है.
टीनेजर्स के लिए भी ग्रूमिंग हेल्प करती है? मतलब आजकल टीनेजर्स को पहले ही ग्रूम करना स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए?
Absolutely.
क्यों करना चाहिए? मतलब क्या रीजन है कि उनको अभी ऐसा एक्सपोजर दे? बिकॉज वो कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जब जाएंगे तब सीख के जाए या वहाँ सीखना चाहिए?
अब तो कंपटीशन इतना है, सीख के जाना ही बेटर है ना, बिकॉज it's a race and we are competing with the world class. If you see, the education system has evolved, has changed. There's a lot of business schools, or there are a lot of international schools, and students have so much pressure to cope up with the standards or the expectations of the parents. So the parents also need to understand, you need to equip your child to face those situations, be it peer pressure, be it about the way they have to talk, the way they have to fit into that ecosystem. And the ones who are smart always excel. The ones who are like very shy, conserved, preserved, so they feel less on the confidence level. They feel, okay, I cannot go and stand on the stage and do the debate, or I don't think I can win the trophy, I don't think I can be the class monitor. Everything starts from the small decisions, right? So parents are so busy with your own work stuff, so it's very difficult for them to understand these small details about what children face in the schools. So we have to give them that power of understanding. It's all about, the mindset. So you take up a workshop with the students, they understand, okay, we can also have a voice, we can talk, and, the way they present themselves to their classmates, to their teachers, it all starts from there.
अच्छा मैम, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग होती है. मतलब कभी भी आपको वो खड़ा कर देते हैं, आप बोलो, बात करो, और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट भी होती है पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. और किसी के सामने जाके आप, क्योंकि टेडेक्स स्पीकर आज बहुत बन रहे हैं, ठीक है, बट एक घबराहट होती है छोटी सी कि आप किसी के भी सामने, आपके सामने 100 लोग बैठे हैं और आप उनके सामने खड़े होते हो, तो एक प्रेशर आ जाता है. तो उस प्रेशर को रिलीज करने के लिए कोई टेक्निक है आपके पास, क्या वो भी शेयर कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, sure. So I also faced this experience as a TEDx speaker the first time. I was like, this is something that is projected globally, right? The TEDx platform is too good. And I'm like, okay, so I've been certified to be able enough to go and stand there and talk to the audience. Even then, everybody, each one of us have the fear of stage. I'm sure even Mr. Modi will have it. Before he goes on the stage and talks to all the bhaios and behnos, he will also have some preparation. There's always, so there's no one person whom I've seen, is very
आपको
no matter
लगता है
how.
होता मोदी जी को भी होगा
हाँ,
pressure?
बिल्कुल, I'm sure, everybody, yeah. So when you are facing an audience, right, so you are facing a lot of people with different mindset, with different temperaments, with different moods, with different age. So there are a lot of factors. So when you are looking at that, you need to gauge, right, how do you address? So it's all about, again, breathing, it's all about being calm, power of pause, and all of this. So you learn only in your grooming sessions. Of course, natural skill to hai, but not everybody is blessed with that. So power of grooming helps you to face any kind of public appearances, will help you face the fear of stage.
सो आप ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के साथ भी काम करते हैं डायरेक्टली किसी मतलब कि ये आपकी जो एम्प्लॉइज जैसे मेरे पास एक कंपनी है, आई हैव सम एम्प्लॉइज, तो आप उनको सबको ग्रूमिंग की ट्रेनिंग देंगे एंड अगर वहाँ पे उनको ट्रेनिंग मिला तो शायद कंपनी के परफॉर्मेंस बेटर हो जाएगा, ऐसा कुछ होता है?
Very much. It's the need of the hour for the corporates, right? So starting from the induction to the orientation, new joiners, right? So we pitch in there, and from there to the to throughout the growth, right? The company wants to see their employees not just doing the work. It's very fantastic to know that the employers are giving attention to their wellness, to their mindset, to their emotional well-being. So yeah, there is a lot of scope everywhere, Abhishek. The grooming starts. It's a very small word. It's only one word, but it plays many, many, many vital roles. It helps people pivot in their career, pivot in their own personal life also.
बट ऐसा लगता नहीं जब किसी मतलब किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ काम करते हो तो देयर आर डिफरेंट माइंडसेट, वो सोचते होंगे यार ये क्या सिखा रहे हैं, हम तो ऑलरेडी सीख के आए हैं। हैव यू फेस्ड दिस चैलेंज?
Absolutely. There are always Mr. Know-it-alls. Hey, people are there like that. But once they start, understanding why we are doing certain workshop. So in your organization, it's not just individual, right? You need to be a team player. So if you want to back that leadership role, what is that you need to do? You need to be connected, right? Your emotional intelligence plays a lot of role here. So everybody, maybe there are a lot of rank holders, first class marks. So how does that matter? Your certificates are there in the drawer, right? What people want to see is how you are good at networking, at your social talking, right? How can you be perceived? Or what kind of decision can you make for us? All of that leadership role. Somebody who's solid, someone who is very confident, someone who takes a stand. So all of these are small elements of being groomed.
अच्छा, कॉन्फिडेंस स्किल्स के बेस पे आता है या कम्युनिकेशन के बेस पे आता है?
Communication. Skill to hai, right? There's no denial about it. There's no second thought about it. Each one of us definitely need to have some skill, technical skills. Those skills are non-negotiable. But to empower that, to give your skills the eyes and ears and mouth, you definitely need to be equipped with soft skills.
करेक्ट। अच्छा, प्रोफेशनली ही ऐसे बात करनी चाहिए मतलब एकदम बहुत लहजे में, या फिर घर पे भी ऐसे ही बात करनी चाहिए अपने परिवार वालों के साथ, अपने दोस्तों के साथ, या दोनों में कोई डिफरेंस होता है मैम? वहाँ पे भी ग्रूमिंग वाला पार्ट आता है या नहीं आता है?
Very interesting, very interesting. If I can have to take the example of Shah Rukh Khan or Madhavan, the actors, celebrities so-called. So I've seen them on camera. Their charisma is very different, right? The way they talk, the way they, connect with the audience, be it with their sense of humor, or be it their body language, or the way they shake hands or connect with the audience. It's not very different because you cannot play a different personality. So it is an inbuilt, right? It is self-taught. You behave the same way at home, right? I'm talking about the personality, not about not about your dining etiquette in the house versus outside. We're all Indians. We like to eat khana haath se. जब आप 5-star hotel जाते हो तो you have to be a Roman when you're in the room. But otherwise, personality is something inside out, right? You meet a person very charismatic, very well spoken, behavior बहुत अच्छा है. तो similar way, I'm sure it is very important to be at home also. I don't think you want to give a second class treatment for your fellow homemates. They also would love to see somebody who is so charming in the house as much as they are outside.
राइट राइट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट। मतलब ये सवाल पूछने का मेरा मकसद ये था बिकॉज आप ऑफिस में तो अलग तरीके से बात करते हो और जैसे ही आप घर पे जाते हो तो आपका बिहेवियर पूरा चेंज हो जाता है। तो ड्यूअल पर्सनालिटी अगर आप लेके चलोगे तो आप खुद भी कंफ्यूज रहोगे हु आई एम।
No. That's what you merge the personalities. Like my daughter always says, if I start giving her some lecture, she says, Mama, this is not TEDx. So please don't lecture me so much. Yeah. But largely, I think we lean on to our co-personality जो होता है ना अभिषेक, so we remain that.
राइट राइट। अच्छा, क्या मिशन विजन अभी आपका आगे का लाइफ का, मतलब क्या करना चाहते हो, कैसे आगे बढ़ोगे आप?
The vision is, we are in this competitive world now. Like India is so digitalized, right? Even a street vendor flashes the scanner to make the payments. So we are so smart with all of those things. So why do we have to remain backward when we are traveling abroad? So I've seen cases where people are not so civilized, you know, here in India. When the same set of people go outside, they want to be very prim and proper, well behaved, you know, like यहाँ पे ये करना है, वहाँ पे ऐसे बैठना है. Very different personality they carry. But when they are home in India, I would definitely want to see people who are more polished. You know, don't we like people more well behaved in the office? Why do you walk in the chappals in the office? There are certain etiquettes that matters.
राइट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट।
Yeah.
मैंने आई थिंक इन सोसाइटी वी वर टॉकिंग समथिंग, और किसी से बात कर रहे थे थोड़े दिन पहले कि कोई भी बाहर का व्यक्ति अगर इन बैंगलोर आता है, सो वो वेल बिहेव होगा, समझदार करेगा, बिल्कुल सोशलाइज होगा, अच्छे से टॉक करेगा, सबको सही करेगा, कचरा भी नहीं फेंकेगा, कुछ नहीं करेगा बेंगलुरु में आने के टाइम पे। बट जैसे ही वो बेंगलोर की सीमा से बाहर जाता है, वो अपना वापस चेंज कर देता है। सो पूरे इंडिया में सिर्फ बेंगलोर ही एक ऐसी जगह है जहाँ पे एडॉप्शन सबसे ज़्यादा हाई है। लोग आपस में बात भी करते हैं, चीज़ मतलब नई नई चीज़ों को एक्सप्लोर भी करते हैं, सिविलाइज भी रहते हैं, ज़्यादा टेंशन नहीं है, मतलब अगर देखा जाए तो कंपेयर टू अदर स्टेट्स। इज इट राइट?
It is right. I'm from Bangalore, so tumba khushi agata idina ke liye, right? So people are so civilized here because it's a very cosmo place. We have to work with multicultural people, multi-religional people. So there's a lot of difference, and you cope up with that. You accept, agree to disagree. You know, all of that. You can't come across very rugged and rude. So obviously now in this social media industry, everything can go viral. So the more well-behaved you are, the better it is for all of us.
नाइस गीता मैम, यू डूइंग ग्रेट जॉब। मेरे ऑफिस में भी थोड़ा हेल्प कर देना लोगों को।
Absolutely.
कुछ करते हैं देखे, है ना? एक आई थिंक मंथ में एक क्लास अगर उनका हो जाएगा, सो हाउ मेनी 150 पीपल आर देयर, किसी एक का भी लाइफ चेंज होगा तो इट विल चेंज माय लाइफ।
Oh, yeah, I understand. I hear you. Yeah.
बड़ा एक इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल आ रहा है अभी दिमाग में। ह्यूमन ट्रैफिकिंग बहुत सॉलिड है इंडिया में। इंडिया में क्या पूरे वर्ल्ड में है, मतलब किडनैपिंग हो जाती है, इधर से लोग, मतलब मैं बोल भी नहीं सकता, मतलब इतना टेंशन वाला काम है। सो बहुत सारे लोग सर्वाइव कर जाते हैं उसमें, बच जाते हैं, वापस निकल के जाते हैं, तो उनका कॉन्फिडेंस लो मतलब बहुत लो होता है कि अच्छा हम कैसे बात करेंगे, अभी हमारे साथ जो भी घटनाएं घटित हुई कैसे समाज में बताएंगे। बट वहाँ पे भी आप एक प्रोग्राम चलाते हैं, तो थोड़ा सा उसके बारे में बताएंगे आप भी कि वहाँ पे किस किस तरह के लोग आते हैं और आप उनको किस तरह से हेल्प करते हैं।
Yeah. So this is little heavy hearted because I'll tell you, when I was approached कि क्या आप कुछ कर सकते हैं for women who are in distress, they have been rescued, they are safe, but they have this conditioning in their mind that they cannot fit into the society or they cannot continue with, they have no idea what next. Of course, there are different set of people who will probably train them on some vocationary trainings, like be it about cooking or tailoring, so that they can continue with their life. What next for them, right? So, but then they are so emotionally down at that phase of life, they feel they are not good enough, right? So that's when we come into the picture. So I said, okay, why not? So this is something very different, but same time very important. As you said, everywhere, this is a global issue and very touching, right? It's very depressing to know that some set of people are going through this while most of us are looking at being good enough for the competitive, you know, self growth के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं, वो अलग बात है. And now there are set of women who just want to live peacefully, right? So I said, okay, why not? Let's talk to them. So then me and my team, we prepared a workshop, the program, wherein, you know, it was pretty much relevant to them. Like they had to unlearn a lot of things, unlearn in terms of self-identity about them, you know, shred that, come out of it, you know, they don't go back to their own family, most of them. So they have to start like new on their own. So a lot of work goes into that by giving them the confidence, ki, you know, you matter in the society. Yeah. So none of us are ignoring. We are very happy that you're out of that trauma, right? And yeah, we give them the mental support. We are very empathetic towards them. And it's a bit of work because every step by step, by the time they are confident and they step out of that house and start living on their own, it's a procedure, it's a process, but very much needed. It helps them come to terms with identity.
राइट, सो आप पूरा उनके साथ लग के काम कर रहे हैं।
हाँ, लग के काम करते हैं. It's just to give it back to the society.
दिस इज़ मतलब वेरी ग्रेट थिंग, मतलब कि अगर कोई बिल्कुल कुछ नहीं कर पा रहा है और उसको कुछ थोड़ा-सी पुश मिल जाए हल्का-सी, तो लाइफ में बहुत कुछ कर सकता है।
Yeah, very true.
थैंक यू सो मच मैम,
Thank you
फॉर
too.
डूइंग ग्रेट जॉब एंड ट्रेन आवर पीपल आल्सो।
Absolutely.
थैंक यू मैम।